Good morning, amazing, beautiful unicorns. We have this very weird light bottle coming out of my head. But anywho, Majestic Misty, hi. If this is your first time here, great. Glad you're here. Hope you stay. Hope you give a thumbs up. Hope you subscribe. Hope you keep coming back. And if this is a return, thank you for coming back and watching. You guys know I love each and every one of you. We are here to open Ipsy because I couldn't wait. Sorry. I couldn't wait for a content day. I wanted it open so I could throw the trash away and so I could put the stuff away if there's anything that this is dying to have. So let's see. Ooh, I feel something squishy. Okay, I don't know. Oh, it's the bag. Bleh. But it's squishy. It's this. Ooh, it's pretty. Hi, Sony. You got to see the bag too. Do you like it? Does it smell good? Made him sneeze. Just make sure there's nothing extra in the bag. So I actually really like this blue. My purple nails look great on it. So this blue, but I like the blue, the neon pink, and the neon. So this is a bag that will get used. I love when they send me bags. This weird bottle on my head is like, I don't know. Weird. Okay, so they never really give us anything that tells us what it is, but ooh, I like this. It says, I will conquer. So you write down what you will conquer, I guess, for the year 2018, because this is January 2018 Ipsy. So I will conquer. What will I conquer? I have too many things I need to conquer. I'm working on my coffee addiction. I'm working on my candy addiction. Let's make this a meaningful one. I don't know. I'll have to think about it. All right, so first thing we pull out is a charcoal wash-off mask, 15-minute facial therapy, deep cleansing mud. Sony keeps smelling everything. Deep cleansing mud-based formula unclogs pores and lifts away impurities for all skin types. So we'll cover up the bottle light there and see if we can get a good view of this. And it's by Global Beauty Care. Next we have, I have to use the light because I didn't turn on the light because I just literally woke up. By Fierce Flicks. Actually, it's Fierce Flicks by Ciate. I'm assuming black. Let's see if it's... I won't be able to open it. Who am I kidding? Alright, let's look at it first. Fierce Flicks. Fierce Flicks. Because I'm not editing anything. This is literally just going up right now after we do this. On a non-content day. Now, y'all think I really can open things. That's why I come... This is why I come prepared with something to open, because I can never open anything. Ever. Y'all think I'm kidding. Oh, my teeth worked. Broke the plastic. I cannot open anything. Now, I will be happy if this is a, like, felt, because I wear black mascara. No editing today. I wear black eyeliner every day. My sister got me some e.l.f. metallic different colored liners. So I'm going to play with those and see what we got. Ooh, it is. It's a black felt. So this will definitely fiercely get used. And it does it does a nice line. So I'm liking it. Let's get this other little plastic piece down here so it closes and doesn't dry out. But yeah, no, this is the type of why do I keep calling this mascara? This is the type of eyeliner that I do use. I very rarely use like the pencil kind. But my sister got me some metallic colors, and BoxyCharm just sent Guitar Rock, or it works really well on the finger too. Just so you know, if you were wondering, sent some metallic-y eyeshadow palette that I'm seriously going to play with. So those metallic ones will come in handy. Next, we have a full size. Now, Ipsy is, I have hiccups again, is not known to put its full size out there. And this is, what is this? So Susan. Oh, that one's much easier. So Susan in the shade of, it's Liquid Matte Raisin Flesh. And I like these orangey colors because they actually, that's my computer shutting off because I did not break out a camera. This feels a little drying, but we'll see. I need to apply quite a bit to get the color. But this is the color. So this is a color that will actually be used because with my red hair, it goes pretty good. And we'll see, it's liquid matte, so we'll see how well it does. Okay, next we have a Mary Lou Manzer. I don't know. Ooh, it's pretty though. It's by the Balm. Manizer. My light's off, so I can't really see. So I'm actually using this weird bottle light behind me. It looks like a highlighter, so let's put it right over the top. I swirl 1, 2, 3. This does not feel, it feels very dry, but there it is on the finger. Let's see what it looks like on the hand. Oh, this is a shade that I would need a lot more than just a little bit. Because on my hand, you can't really see it. It's right there. But on my finger, you can see it a little bit. So, all right. Main thing for me with matte lipsticks is that they do not move. Okay, our last thing is nail polish. Follow and share. Johnny's Angels. And it's by Pretty Woman. So let's see what color. Because I'm liking the purples and the blues. I had no idea it was going to be blue. But I'm like, I did purple for the first part of Valentine's Day, and I'm going to do some sort of pink for the second part of Valentine's Day. And then I'm going to get into for April, May. Look how pretty and vibrant that is. I do gel, so maybe I'll have to do like this on my toes. And then I'll have to do like a close matching color to this because this is so pretty. Or actually, maybe I have enough, and maybe this will go on my giveaway. Maybe. We'll see. So there is our Ipsy bag. We have blue nail polish by Pretty Woman. We have the Balm Mary Lou Manizer. It's supposed to be an illuminizer. It's right there on my finger. That's the best way to see it. We have Fierce Flick right here. It is a felt top, which we know we love felt point tops. We have So Susan in Peachy Flesh. Oh, I did a bad job of showing it too. Let's flip it so you can see it. So Susan, I don't know if it's the right way or not. And you know what? I'm rubbing it right now. Rub, 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 right? This is the test. If I can rub it and it doesn't just transfer or come off, which very little came off, that is a winner for me. We have our charcoal mask, and we have to do some thinking on what we will conquer. First you've got this. Fact. See, not editing, so I can't read. Not in the dark. I have to use this weird bottle light again. Game face, it says. Fact, you've got this. Whether it's running a 5K, maybe that's a good idea. Let me get into some more activity and pick a 5K like in May or June. I will conquer my fears of activity. I belong to a gym and never go because I'm so scared to go. So maybe I'll conquer that. I'm sorry, my throat hurts. But I have Dunkin' Donuts. It's the same one I bought 3 days ago, never drank. See, I'm doing better. Um, Nailing a job interview. What will you conquer? Fill out the blank flip side of this card. Put it on your social and tag hashtag Ipsy, hashtag GameFace. Make sure to cheer on other Ipsters too. Let's reach our goal together. So, see, I really should have opened this bag with my Birchbox, but I did Birchbox with BoxyCharm just to show you the difference. But even in this one, we got a full-size nail polish, we got a full-size lip, and it looks like we got a full-size eyeliner. So, and this is obviously enough to do a whole face. Sometimes, they give you in Birchbox not enough to do an arm when they say it's a body scrub. So, Ipsy really is also one that I really enjoy. I have to say my top three are BoxyCharm, Ipsy, and Sephora Play as far as makeup boxes. Birchbox is going to, when the subscription runs up, it's going to go bye-bye. We are breaking up. So yes, here's the beautiful bag. It's nice and meshy. I love that feeling. And I will figure out what it is I will conquer. And that's it. So you guys know what to do. Thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. This is going up unedited, so all of my oopses, and flubs, enjoy them. I love each and every one of you, and I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.